Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data. Back up to iCloud or Finder so you can restore if needed. Once done, open Settings, go to General, then VPN and Device Management. Locate the iOS beta profile and tap Remove Profile. You will be asked for your device passcode, so enter it to confirm. After removal, make sure to restart the iPhone. This clears the beta enrollment and prepares the phone for standard public releases without delay. Once the profile is gone and the phone has restarted, head to Settings, General, Software Update to check for the public iOS build. If a public release is available, tap Download and Install. Make sure you are on Wi-Fi and the battery is at least 50% or the phone is plugged in. If the public release hasn't appeared, be patient. Apple often posts the matching public build within 24 to 48 hours, so check again later. You finish by verifying stability. If apps or settings misbehave, try Reset Network Settings or reset all settings first. Once done, if problems persist, restore from the backup you made using Finder or iCloud or perform a full restore via recovery mode. This reinstalls the public firmware. If you still see beta updates, double-check the profile removal, and if necessary, contact Apple support. Finally, if you want beta access again later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.